Check out this Jeep 2019 Renegade Latitude. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are passive entry remote start package included, keyless entry with panic alarm remote start system, quick order package 2XB included, engine 2.4 Li40 EVAP MAIR transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, black premium cloth bucket seats, tires, 215/60 R17 BSWS Touring, STD, passive entry remote start package included, keyless entry with panic alarm remote start system, transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 7.0 aluminum, STD, granite crystal metallic clear coat and engine, 2.4 Li40 EVAP MAIR, STD. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride.